Let us look at tying onto our harness with our climbing rope. Firstly, we create a figure of 8 knot. Nice and neat. We then need to take our tail, rope tail, and feed it through our harness loop at the top and then through our leg loop at the bottom. Then take our figure of 8 knot in towards us, make sure it's about a fist width away. Now we're going to take the tail of the rope, the end of the rope, and feed it through our figure of 8 knot, rethreading it. Nice and neat. We then have an excess tail of about 30 centimeters. We're going to tidy this up by creating a stopper knot by creating wraps, 2 or 3 wraps ideally, around the rope, working towards us and then feeding the tail away from us. If we look at that a little bit closer, we have our figure of 8. We take our rope end, feed it through our harness loop and then our leg loop, in through the top, out through the bottom, making sure it's going through both. Take our figure of 8 knot, bring it in towards us about a fist width away from our harness. We then take the end of the rope and rethread the figure of 8, following it right the way through, one strand at a time. Nice and tidy. And the end of the rope will come out the top of the figure of 8. We now have a rethreaded figure of 8. With our 30 centimeter of excess tail, we're now going to create a stopper knot. Take the excess tail, wrap it around the other rope, start wrapping towards us. 2 or 3 wraps, take the tail and actually bring the tail away from us through the 2 wraps.